It's a shout out to LC300, LC200 owners in Melbourne or Victoria. We have one of these lifestyle kits in stock at our Knoxfield location, and it's available for immediate install. Watch the video now to see how it works. Hi, Bruce from Safiery, Land Cruiser 300. You're going to see something today that you haven't seen before in anything we've done in the Land Cruiser series. We're going to chat to Derek in a minute here, but just a reminder, this is our low profile lifestyle kit in the back here, and we've got the angle drawer 30 litre, we've got the induction in here, we have the switch on here to turn it on, and then for the lights here we've got our usual white and amber at the top up there, and all the cabling on that is all concealed in through the sockets. So we're just sitting in the front of the brand new LC300 now, and up on the screen here we've got our lights in the rear. So just watch this. I touch that on, there's the white light on, and Derek, just touch the amber and turn the white off, and there's the amber on. So that's all done now on the front screen. It's a bit of a bonus. How good's that?
Fantastic.